Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can automatically CC or BCC yourself in Samsung email on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe up to go into app screen, and in here open up the email app. In Samsung email inbox, tap on the menu key at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In here, tap on your email account, and then we're going to go down to the account settings and tap on always CC or BCC myself. And from the list, you can choose either to CC or BCC, so blind carbon copy or carbon copy. So if you want to choose BCC, select BCC from the list and then tap on the back key to go back to your inbox. Now when you compose a new email, it will also send a copy to yourself. You can see here, it will BCC yourself. So you just have to tap on the drop down arrow. It will expand out the additional text field for you to see. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.